Okay, guys, let's do one more ratio allocation problem. So it says a vehicle dealership has overhead cost of $480,000. Overhead cost is allocated to new vehicle sales, used vehicle sales, and vehicle servicing administration. Okay, so there's 4 different categories to which this cost is distributed. Okay, there is this new vehicles, used vehicles, vehicle servicing, and administration. There's 4 different categories in which this cost is allocated, and this is the ratio that we're given. The departments bear overhead costs in the ratio 1 1/8 ratio 1/4 ratio 1/2 ratio 1/16. Now, the first one is these are the new vehicles, these are your used vehicle sales, this is your vehicle servicing, and this is your administration department. And that's how they bear the costs. Okay, the new vehicle department bears the cost of this, and this. This is how we have to basically distribute this number, 480,000. 480,000. So before we start, to make it life easy, we can find a least common multiple. Okay, just by looking at these numbers, we can see that all of them go into 16, right? 8 2s are 16, 4 3s are 4 times 4 is 16, 8 times 2 is 16, 2 times 8 is 16, 16 times 1 is 16. So they all are divisible by 16. So we can use 16 as our common denominator. But then we'd have to make some changes here. So 16, 8 times 2 is 16, right? So this 2 would have to get multiplied with this 1 to give us 2 ratio 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 times 1 is 4, right? 16 over 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So this 4 will get multiplied with this, right? So you see, this is what we do with 4. Then the same with 2. We'll do the same. 16. 2 times 8 is 16. And this will get times 2. 8 times 1. 8 times 1 is 8. This 8. And this one 8. Ratio 16 times 1 is 16. Right, so this one and this one will give us 1. So then what we're left with is basically, we can just take or get rid of all this. We have a common denominator. So this is the ratio that we are left with. 2 ratio 4 ratio 8 ratio 1. And this is the ratio in which we have to split this number, 480,000. 480,000, okay? When we add all these, what do we get? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 15. So we have for the new vehicles, it's going to be 2 over 6. 6 plus 14, 2 over 15. Right? For multiply by 480,000 for new vehicles. This is for new vehicles, right? 4 over 15 go multiply by 480,000 for used. 8 over 15 into 480,000 for vehicle servicing. And finally, administration, we have 1 over 15. 1 over 15, this is 15, sorry. 480,000. So this is how we're going to figure it out, okay? 1 over 15, this is how we're going to do it. The other way we do it, it's the same. We just figure out 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 8, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. We just divide 480,000 by 15. And basically, what do we get? 3. We get 480. Yeah, so we get 30,000. That's correct. 30,000 basically. Each part is 30,000. So then all of them. The first will multiply this with 2. Then that would be for the new vehicles. New vehicles would be 32,000 multiplied by 2 is 64. right? Whoops. Computer is stopped again. Anyway, so for new vehicles, we'll multiply 32,000 by 2. For old vehicles, we'll multiply 32,000 with 4. For the vehicle service, we'll multiply 32,000 with 8. And for administration, we'll multiply it with 1. Okay, and that's how the allocation will go. All right, so good stuff. Good stuff and good luck, my friends.